say again, every night is just the same. What do you say if I tell you how to keep from feeling blue? My advice is good to take, and it's easier to do. Underneath the bright silvery light, you'll be feeling better too. Pick up your hat, close up your flap, get out and get under the moon. Look, look, look at the stars above. Look, look, look at those sweeties, love, old boy. Give me a night in June. I mean it all, you gotta do any old night when you're feeling out of tune. Pick up your hat, close up your flap, get out and get under the moon. Started a girl, every time she'd want to swoon, he'd pick up his hat, close up the flap, get out and get under the moon. Every time that this sweet little miss puckered up to get a kiss, he'd pick up his hat, close up the flap, get out and get under the moon. Well, at last, Johnny did propose, she said yes. So the story goes, on a beautiful night in June. Up his hat, close up the flap, get out and get under the moon. Well, at last, Johnny did propose, she said yes. So the story goes, on a beautiful night in June. They married, wifey went to rest in their love nest, while she hummed the wedding tune. He picked up his hat, closed up the flap,